Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 30th May 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you are now sitting in God's land in order to go to the land of peace and the land of happiness. This is the company of the truth, where you become the most elevated human beings. Question: how is it that you children are more elevated and not less than the Father? Answer: Baba says, children, I do not become the master of the world. As well as making you into the masters of the world, I also make you into the masters of Brahman. I, the highest on high Father, salute you children. This is why you are even more elevated than I am. I salute you masters. You then salute the Father who makes you this. Essence for Dharana. First is, we are Brahmins, the mouth-born children of Brahma. God Himself is teaching us this study in order to change us from ordinary humans into deities. Stay in this intoxication and happiness. It is at this most auspicious confluence age that you have to make effort to become the most elevated human beings. Second is, it is now our stage of retirement. Death is standing ahead of us. We have to return home. This is why we have to burn away all our sins by staying in remembrance of the Father. Blessing for today. May you attain the limitless treasure of fortune with the key of this knowledge and become full of all treasures. Details are: at the confluence age, all of you children receive the key of this knowledge with which you create your fortune. Use this key and take as many treasures of fortune as you want. As soon as you take this key, you become filled with all treasures. To the extent that you become full of all treasures, you accordingly have that much happiness automatically. You will experience it to be as though a waterfall of happiness is eternally and unceasingly flowing. You will appear to be full of all treasures, with no lack of any type of attainment. Slogan is, keep a good connection with the Father, and you will continue to receive a current of all powers. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Imbibe the personality of spiritual royalty and purity. To the extent you have purity, so you accordingly have the personality of Brahman life. If there is less purity, then that personality too is less. This personality of purity easily makes service successful. However, if there is even the slightest trace of one of the vices, then its companions will definitely join in. Just as purity is deeply connected to peace and happiness, so impurity is deeply connected to all five vices. When not even the slightest trace of vice remains within you, it would be said that you serve others with your personality of purity.